Hello friends, we are going to discuss about SSH Handshake protocol. When we communicate our browser within server securely, then the SSH Handshake protocol is used. So basically, firstly we established a session. Okay, so for a session, our client or browser sends a sync message to the server. Okay, then server acknowledged and sync back our signal. Then client acknowledges back and a basic communication is established. Okay, now here starts the phase 1 of SSL. Okay. Client sends hello message. In the hello message, client sends the SSL protocol version. Okay, then the version which is used by the browser. Okay, then sends the session ID. The session ID means our entire session, which is from starting to the end of our communication. Okay, then the list of cipher suits. Cipher suits are the cryptographic algorithms. Okay, and client hello extension. Okay, this is our phase 1. Then server sends the server hello. Okay, then what things are included? This is our phase 2. So what are the things included in the server hello? Again, SSL protocol version, session ID, and selected ciphers. Okay, so our client sended some list of cipher suits. Okay, so our browser selects some of them which are more suited or best suited for our client. Okay, and server certificate. Okay, then and server hello and request for the client certification. Okay, now then this message delivers to the client. Now client acknowledges the pre-master secrets, the selected ciphers, and sends a client certificate, okay, to the server. See, now what happens? The server again sends a private and public key. Okay, now server have our public key and server have a private key and client have a public key. Okay, now server sends the encrypted messages to the client, then they are decrypted and sends an acknowledgement or to the server. Now a perfect SSL handshake is established in 4 phases. Okay, so firstly our client says hello, in second phase server says hello, then third phase pre-master secrets are acknowledged by client with a client certificate, and in fourth phase our session key is established or a basic communication is established. Okay, now in last phase client sends a message of finished, then server sends the message of finished, and our communication starts.